The Collaborative Research Center for American Indian Health is building a plan for better health. At a health summit today, researchers and health experts discussed Native American health problems and possible solutions. Catherine Silver brings us that story.
To face the challenges.
The Collaborative Research for American Indian Health Center Summit started in response to a huge problem.
Native Americans have the world record on a per capita basis of more diabetes than any group of people in the world.
Now, health experts and tribal community members are taking a stand against diseases common among Native Americans in South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota.
What are those diseases? Diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, and the like.
All diseases, Speaker Sparrow Manson says, are caused by lifestyle choices in Native American communities.
We're less likely to eat well and appropriately, less likely to exercise regularly, and it has enormous consequences for our health.
The goal is to research these health problems so that Native Americans can find solutions by working together.
Taking the evidence-based practices developed by good science at the national level and figuring out how to embrace that and roll it out in the tribal communities in the real world.
Some speakers presented the facts, while others were shining examples of conquering chronic disease.
I'm here just sharing the journey of how I've taken control of my diabetes and tried to choreograph my journey into this rapidly changing world and take advantage of opportunities that await us.
This is the second year that there's been a health summit, and it's already grown in popularity because this isn't just a problem for South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota, but nationwide.
Never in the history of our country and the future of our country has the need been greater for what I call unity through diversity to come together and help choreograph our journey.
And even though the battle hasn't ended yet, this year's summit is already focusing on preventing future problems so that hopefully they can save at least one life. Silver, Lakeland News.
Next year's Health Summit is scheduled to take place in Rapid City, South Dakota.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.